is a Brooklyn-bound 2 express train. The next stop is Fulton.
Crafting with Cost, let's go.
I'm Cost, and welcome back to Crafting with Cost if you're back. So today I'm going to actually be upcycling one of my old sweaters that I had that was just kind of run down and kind of worn out a little bit, and so I'm going to be upcycling it into one of those trendy cardigan sweaters that would be perfect for either the fall or the winter time, and it would be like a cute piece of outerwear or just like a trendy statement piece that has like a lot of texture to it. So I'm basically going to show you how I achieved this look. I'm super proud of it. It actually took a while. So this project is definitely a project that you want to tackle if you have a lot of time on your hands or you need some time to meditate. So yeah, like all you need to do basically get you a good little playlist going, and you could actually knock this out pretty fast. I actually used a technique that I used in one of my previous DIYs where I did some outdoor pillows using yarn, and I actually just kind of just replicated that technique all throughout the actual sweater. And I'm not sure if that was the most efficient technique, but I feel like it was based on me actually trying to attempt to do it and me doing it for a while. So I'm going to go ahead and start going over some of the materials that I use for this project. Like I said before, this project I'm so proud of because it's super cute and it basically mimics some of the trendy shag cardigan sweaters that you see, but I did it for like a fraction of the price. So one of these cardigans you could get for like, I think the cheapest one that I seen was like $75 or $80, but I basically used my old sweater and used some yarn and achieved the same look for a fraction of the price with a little bit of time, as well as the fact that it's custom. It's a custom cardigan. So without any more further hesitation, we can go ahead and go over the materials that I use for this project, and we can go ahead and let's get right started. I created various long individual chain link pieces to adhere to the cardigan. So you want to start by adding the tassels to the bottom of the cardigan / sweater. Use the yarn to measure how long each chain length needs to be based on the side of the sweater that you're working with, and continue the process as you continue to go up on the cardigan. I made sure that each row was approximately 1 inch apart, and I put books on top of each row to make sure that the glue was secure. You want to make sure that you keep the sweater stretched out so that every time that you're gluing the yarn chains that nothing's getting snagged and nothing's getting bunched up. And just repeat the same process around the entire sweater, and I actually used an ombre effect for the different colors that I used. And I mirror imaged the rose based on the opposite side of the sweater that I finished first.